Good morning, my dear students. Today we discuss about the topic is dehumidification operation. The air water vapor mixture is entering at the top of the condenser and passes through the tubes. Then, while passing through the tubes, the water vapor present in the air water vapor mixture getting condensed by exchanging heat with the cold water, which is passing through the shell side. Then the mixture of condensate and dry air are separated in the conical bottom of the condenser. Then the condensate and dry air are collected. Finally, thus the dehumidification of the air takes place in the dehumidification equipment. Thank you.